Okay. Whew. Take a little cool down time here. Just got finished digging our 5-foot deep hole. 2 days. It's 3:30 in the afternoon now. We started at 12 today. Total of 7 hours to dig that 5-foot deep hole. Anyhow, thought I'd take a cool down period here and just share some thoughts on time, light. These are big things of mine. Thinking about them all the time. First of all, time. Time is all wrong, man. I mean, the way we use time right now, the way we know it is... Can anybody see me? I hope the color is adjusted right on here. Anyhow, I'm looking in the viewfinder. I kind of look like a dark shadow. Yeah, that's alright. Mainly important what I'm saying, not that you see me. Time. Time as we have it right now is, that's great for knowing what time to get up in the morning, take a crap, what time to go to work, what time to go to bed. I mean, time as we have it right now is only good on this teeny tiny one spot in the universe, or universes. I mean, time right now is based on the revolutions, turns of the planet. Wow, I'm really exhausted from digging that hole. It's based on our solar system. I mean, it's not, and yet here we are using this form of time in formulas and in relation to light, quantum physics, subatomic particles, everything that's in the entire universe, and we're applying our laws of time to them. And we really need a new form of time that's more universal. Let me look at some notes here. Oh, here's something good. How about time? There's a guy that's, he has a box. Here's an experiment. He's looking at a box that's like this, battery operated, and it's flashing numbers. Really, it's flashing a number really fast, so fast that you can't see it. So this guy takes this box with him, bungee jumps, his adrenaline goes up. As he's looking at this box, he can clearly see the numbers. Makes him think. How about this? There's a guy out there that can never remember the past. Not even the last 5 seconds. Wow. Just think what that must be like for him. But it's like time might be only controlled by a part of our brain. Past is stuck in our memories. Chemicals can change our conception of time. Cocaine, marijuana. You're having a good time. Time goes by faster. Light. Here's an interesting one. No matter how fast we're traveling, light is still passing at the speed of light. Approximately 186,000 miles per second, or was it 300,000 kilometers per second. But no matter how fast you're traveling, even if you're traveling at the speed of light, going this direction, light is coming up behind you, it will still pass you at the speed of light. What? Something's not right. Are we perceiving light correctly? Our eyes, and they refer to them as our cameras, and our brain. I mean, first of all, we're only able to perceive a very small amount of the light spectrum. How do we know everything we're seeing that's out there in space and we're seeing it properly? We're programming computers and machines that were picking up this light and these frequencies on, and well, computers and these devices only tell you what we program them to tell us. They're only going to pick up what we program them to look for. So we're telling them to pick up things that are based on our feeble eyesight and our feeble brains, a slow response. So how do you know our equipment is even designed to pick things up correctly sometimes? Think about a giant guy who's so large that he could take one step from our planet to the moon. To us, on the planet, somebody standing here on Earth, whoa, he just traveled, half the speed of light. His leg, wow. But to him, he's traveling the same speed as anybody else. I don't think we're perceiving, I think we're being fooled by light. We're being tricked by light. Time. Why is time? Time drives me crazy. Time is not right. Time is distance and space. It's not right. Time is based on Earth's rotations. I'm looking over my notes right now to see what other things I can say here. It just drives me crazy. Things are not as they appear. We're being fooled. If we were able to see the entire spectrum of light and perceive it at the rate the second we see it too. I mean, because you got the fractions of a second there from the time that our eyes see something to the time that it takes our brain to analyze that information. So we rely on everything on what our eyes are seeing. Eyes are very feeble cameras. And then we're also relying on how our brains are interpreting that information. How do you know our brains are twisting things around a little bit? How do you know what we